In the cloud infrastructure, everyone interacts with virtual private clouds, VPCs, without even realizing it. A fundamental concept, VPCs essentially replicate a traditional data center within the cloud. Within a VPC, businesses can launch AWS services into a virtual network tailored to their specific needs by configuring the IP address ranges, subnets, route tables, and security settings. As such, VPCs provide companies the agility to control and isolate their environments while linking to other networks as needed. One notable advantage of VPCs is their ability to securely connect to the internet, other VPCs, and on-premises data centers through VPN or Direct Connect. This allows for a hybrid cloud strategy, providing both flexibility and control over resources. Companies like Netflix utilize VPCs to manage vast libraries of data and to ensure seamless streaming services across various geographies. By partitioning resources using subnets, organizations can manage traffic efficiently, ensuring high availability and security. Another vital element of cloud networking is DNS, which stands for Domain Name System. Essentially, DNS is the Internet's phone book, translating human-friendly domain names into IP addresses that computers use to identify each other. Without DNS, navigating the internet would be a complex task. Cloud providers offer DNS services that enable companies to route user requests to application endpoints efficiently. For instance, Amazon Route 53 is a scalable DNS web service designed to provide developers and businesses with a reliable, cost-effective way to route end users to internet applications by translating domain names into IP addresses. DNS services in the cloud, such as those by AWS, also include features like health checks and traffic management to ensure user requests are directed to the best possible endpoints. This leads us to load balancers, another crucial component. A load balancer distributes incoming network or application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, containers, or IP addresses, optimizing application performance and reliability. Load balancing can enhance the availability and fault tolerance of applications, ensuring steady performance even during peak traffic times. Among well-known cloud-based load balancing solutions is the Elastic Load Balancing (ELB) service offered by AWS. ELB automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, adapting to changes in traffic patterns. This dynamic allocation ensures that no single component is overburdened, reducing the risk of overloads and potential downtime. To illustrate, consider online retail giants such as Amazon, where load balancing ensures millions of simultaneous users can navigate seamlessly without experiencing lag. By distributing network traffic evenly, load balancers play an essential role in maintaining system stability and performance. VPCs, DNS, and load balancers work in concert to form a robust cloud infrastructure backbone, handling day-to-day operations behind the scenes to ensure cloud environments are secure, scalable, and highly available. As businesses increasingly rely on cloud computing for their operations, understanding these core components becomes crucial to optimizing their strategies. Cloud infrastructure is massively scalable and flexible, yet it is its intelligent design using VPCs, DNS, and load balancers that maintains efficiency, reliability, and control. As these technologies evolve, they continuously redefine what is possible, driving innovation in many sectors. Going forward, dive deeper into advanced networking concepts like hybrid clouds and cross-region connectivity to better appreciate how modern cloud infrastructures are structured.